Hey, this is Tim Coburn with timcoburnphoto.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to shoot objects with a gray card. First of all, what is a gray card and why do we use it? Basically, a gray card is a reference point in your photo that gives you a perfectly neutral spot for you to be able to perfectly balance your white balance. When you're shooting in RAW, you have a lot of leniency in order to change your white balance after you've already done your shot. The problem is, it's really difficult to find the perfect white balance in your shot if you don't have a reference point in your photo, and that's what a gray card does. There's 4 steps in setting up and shooting your gray card. The first thing is setting up your lighting. You have to set your lighting up exactly how you want it. Once you shoot your gray card, you cannot change your lighting. If you do change your lighting, you've got to reshoot your gray card, because every time you move a light or change a light, or even if you're shooting outside and it all of a sudden becomes cloudy from sunny, the color temperature of your image is going to change and you're going to have to recalibrate that shot. So, set up your lighting first. The next step is to actually photograph your gray card. It's very simple. All you have to do is take your gray card like this. Normal gray cards are actually a little thicker than this. But all you have to do is hold it in front of the object, or you could even do it behind the object. Basically, you just want a piece of the gray card, as much as you can actually, in the photo. So you're holding the gray card there. I have this set on timer, so it's going to go ahead and take a photo of my gray card, just like that. And I'm actually going to go ahead and take one more photo of the Canon Rebel here that we're shooting. Once you get your gray card set up like that, you can go ahead and just shoot away. Shoot all the images you need. Just make sure that you keep your lighting the same. Don't change your lighting, or you're going to have to shoot your gray card again. The next step is to take your image into Photoshop and reset your white balance using that gray card that you just shot. Okay, so now that we've shot our gray card and we've taken all the pictures we needed, we go ahead and import them. First, I'm going to show you how to set the light balance in Lightroom, and then I'm going to show you how to do it in Photoshop. So we've got our images here. These are the product shots we want to shoot. And this is the product shot that I did with the gray card in it. So all you have to do is take that shot with the gray card, come over here to develop, make sure you've got the before and after so you can see the differences between the 2 shots. Come over here to your gray balance setting. This basically automatically sets the white balance for you based on your gray card. So come over here, you select the little eyedropper, pick anywhere on your gray card, touch it, and it's automatically going to make this gray card perfectly gray. Then you come over here, back to your library. You can also click library up here. Click the first file. Click any additional files that you need to do. Sync settings. Make sure that your white balance is synced. For this particular file, I'm just going to sync all the settings. Hit sync, and voila. You have a perfectly white balanced image in Lightroom. That was easy. So now I'm going to show you how to do your white balance in Photoshop. All you have to do is open all your RAW files, have the gray card set up here. There's a little eyedropper here at the top, which is your white balance tool. Click on the eyedropper, click anywhere on your gray card, and automatically it resets the white balance. So now it looks much better than it did before. It was a little blue. Come over here, make sure that your gray card file is selected. Select all additional images that you want to sync that across. Hit the synchronize button here. Make sure that your white balance is checked. Hit OK, and voila. Automatically, we've got a perfectly white balanced image. I'm Tim Coburn with timcoburnphoto.com, and I just showed you how to shoot with a gray card.